Hi everyone, welcome back to the PC Pal. Today we're going to show you how to open and enable the classic Windows Photo Viewer on Windows 10 or 11. If you've been missing this handy photo app, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Windows Photo Viewer isn't visible by default. Windows 10 and 11 use the Photos app as the default picture viewer. However, Windows Photo Viewer is still included in the system. It's just hidden. We need to re-enable it manually. The first thing to check is whether Windows Photo Viewer is already available. Here's how. Right-click on any image file. Click on Open With, and then select Choose Another App. Scroll through the list to see if Windows Photo Viewer is there. If it's listed, simply select it and you're good to go. If not, don't worry. I'll show you how to bring it back. To fully re-enable Windows Photo Viewer, we'll need to tweak the Windows registry. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds, and I'll guide you step by step. First, download a registry file that unlocks Windows Photo Viewer. I've included a safe link in the description below. Once downloaded, double-click the file to add it to your registry. Click Yes on the prompts and you're done. Finally, let's set Windows Photo Viewer as the default for all your images. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Navigate to Apps, Default Apps. Under Photo Viewer, click the current default app, then select Windows Photo Viewer from the list. For more specific control, you can also set Windows Photo Viewer as the default. By file type, scroll down and click Choose Default Apps by file type. Then assign Windows Photo Viewer to specific image formats like .jpg or .png. By link type, select Choose Default Apps by Protocol to manage specific link types. And that's it. Your images will now open with Windows Photo Viewer. And that's it. All your pictures will now open with Windows Photo Viewer. There you have it, a quick and easy way to bring back the classic Windows Photo Viewer on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.